I try to show you guys the cool parts, but sometimes it's just So it's day, I really have no idea, 40 something. And we just left Marion and it's been raining all morning. We are soaking wet, like literally, like I can wring my stuff out, like sopping wet. But we just walked upon this old schoolhouse, just so cool. And there's so much amazing stuff inside. I don't even know what to say. So it's kind of full of hikers right now. So, but an 1894 schoolhouse. Yeah, hey, you guys are on video. You're on YouTube. Say hi, Flower Boy.
Hey, hi, Flower Boy.
No, don't say hi, Flower Boy. And all of this trail magic. What do you think, bro?
I don't know. There's a tank top.
Look at this.
I'm thinking about taking it. No, it's crazy.
I'm literally so excited. Like, it's such a nice reprieve from the rain, right? Look, everybody's soaking wet. Everything is literally just drenched. So how cute is this? So anyways, that's today on the trail. So this is the trail today. There's Flower Boy. We've had a ton of rain. And this is the trail. We are walking in this madness. We are completely sopping wet. All right. This is some kind of bull. I tend to just walk right through the because I'm already wet. There's Bro. You're doing good. Bro likes to go along on the logs, but you know what the let's just hike through this. Oh, hello, raging river. You did it!
Are you a treat drive? Totally.
Scorch! Today is day 50. We are at probably about a mile 568, I would guess. I wanted to show you how narrow the trail is today. Narrow and muddy, of course. It's been raining all morning. It just stopped, so I was able to grab out my video, but I have Bro coming up behind. Say hi, Bro. She hates today. She hates the last couple days. It's been really it's just rainy, and I mean, you can't even barely get one foot in front of the other is how narrow this is. So, and we've been going uphill all morning. 15 miles today, so I think we probably got another 12. I think we've probably only gone 3. What do you think, Bro? I'm walking to new shoes. These shoes are shot and are giving me zero support. But on an up note, Flower Boy was extraordinarily kind yesterday and literally gave my legs, oh my god, the most amazing massage. So he rubbed out my calves and my hamstrings and my thighs, and I think whatever was holding up my knee was part of the tension in my stronger muscles. So my knee is feeling better today, so I'm gonna beg him to do it again tonight. But new shoes and bland, just 2 days away, and this is the trail today. Narrow and muddy. It's been a hard couple days. Yesterday I actually cried from the pain in my knee. It was so bad. We did 19.6 slack packing yesterday, and it was just really tough in the mud and the rain and the river flowing, and my knee was, I just laid down as soon as I got back to the hotel and started crying from pain. But better this morning. Don't know why we're all doing this, but we are heading to mile 600. Bunch of crazy people. So Very green today. Again, this is the trail today. River. This, seriously, you just don't even know where to put your feet. There's no getting out of it. Bro Jingles is gonna throw a temper tantrum. She's just gonna freak out. It's just part of the experience, right? This is a creek. We're walking through a goddamn creek. I'm kind of so over it. And now everything is soaked again, so it takes days to dry your shoes out here. Oh well, whatever. It is what it is, right? I think we're coming up on the shelter. Stop a minute, wring my socks out. Anyway, still day 50 on the trail. Still everything soaking wet. Do you see this? Like literally. What the Anyways, this is what we go through out here. It's not all amazing and awesome, and I try to show you guys the cool parts, but sometimes it's just and this is one of those times. So it's day 51. Our little crew is heading into Bland. Actually, we're heading to Fried Oreos at a little outpost, but Flower Boy up front, Professor Q in front of him, and we are walking through a burnt forest for sure. Definitely interesting walking through. One more day to shoes. Whoop whoop. New shoes at mile 604 waiting for me. Hopefully that helps this knee. Just a kind of a mess actually. Okay, back into the green forest. A green tunnel. This is basically what we walk in. It's called the green tunnel. So we're pretty much covered by the canopy of trees.